Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Bitpay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bitpay.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Bitpay website, from which you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your credentials to log into your account. Now, once you are inside the home page or your dashboard, if you wish to delete your account, you can click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on settings, but you will not find an option to delete your account anywhere. So if you wish to delete your account, then you will need to click on the chat assistant option at the bottom right corner. Just click on this and now you will be able to chat with the AI assistant for Bitpay. Just wait for a little while and then you can read through the privacy policy and tap on continue to proceed forward with chatting with the Bitbot. Now just click on my account and then choose your account type. Now from this page, simply click on close my account and you will be asked to enter the email address associated with your account. Just type in your email address and you might also be asked to enter your password. So just proceed forward with providing your email address, and then once you continue forward and verify that you really want to delete your account, you will receive a verification email on your inbox from Bitpay. Just open the email and click on the verification link, and then your account will be set for deletion. Just wait for a few weeks until you receive a final notification email, and then your account will permanently be deleted. Just make sure to withdraw any funds before deleting your account, otherwise they will be lost forever. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on deleting your account on Bitpay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.